This is Chippy from CarryPad at the, actually at the Novotel stand. But we're looking at the Mifi, and of course we spoke a couple of months ago about the Mifi having a new app layer. We saw them at CES, and look what we found here. And we're speaking to Gareth Davis, who's going to give us a 3-minute pitch on what's going to happen now with this new app layer for the Mifi. So tell us a bit about it.
Okay, so right here, right now, we've got 3 generic applications that will appear on the layer. We've got a geo search, we've got a data usage, and we've got a weather app, which also utilises the geolocation of the unit. So the unit's got a GPS in it. You switch it on, already knows where it is. So when you browse onto that unit, onto the website of that unit using a Wi-Fi compatible device.
Just as a reminder, then, we're actually logged into the Mifi here from a web browser. If you remember, had the basic user interface before, but this is the enhanced UI that should be available. Actually available for all devices now, or can I download this today and use this? Or
no, not at the moment. At the moment, it will only be available on new devices.
Right.
But there is plans afoot in future for it to be made available.
To do a flash upgrade for firmware, yeah.
So with the Geo Locations we've got, since the unit's powered on, you type in a search, and like I say, any device with a web browser connected to it over Wi-Fi, so that's not restricting you to laptops. You've got that. We've got the data usage monitor as well. It keeps an eye on how much data all of your devices are using. So normally it would only be a PC, laptop-based application.
Yeah.
Now it's on the unit, so it takes into account all of the other devices that have used data through that unit as well, through the Wi-Fi. And again, we've got the weather device as well, the weather application. That's geo-aware as well. So that's basing the weather either locally on your current position, or there are a number of defaults that you can set in. You can add in your own locations, and you can have it tell you what they are.
So, so this new firmware then, this is actually software written by Novotel themselves, yeah? Or is this from third parties?
It's a Linux-based application layer.
Okay. So I could come along as a developer and write a Google Buzz app now for the Mifi, so that they would pick up my location and would put out a buzz for the location.
Absolutely. There's an SDK available from our Nova Lounge, available from our website. Download the SDK, develop applications.
Right, it's looking great. So, when will the devices be available with this new firmware, do you know?
There should be around mid-year. There'll be key carriers that they're available through at that point in time. And towards the end of the year, for more unlocked carrier-free units.
Okay, so we can see those towards the end of the year, good. And will they be still the same form factor devices, or are you planning to do new devices? So still be the same new model number presumably, or is it
new model number?
Yeah, okay.
But the this application layer is actually running off the unit in the corner.
Okay.
As you'll see, no difference.
Yeah, fantastic. All right, Gareth from Novotel, where are you? Thank you very much.
Thank you.